Howdy y'all, Slinger here. I'm going to try out that railroad spike as a hot chisel. I got some mild steel heating up. I'm going to cut it in half and see how the edge on this holds up. If it works out, awesome. I'm pretty sure my Ken's iron rapid tongs are coming tomorrow. And I need something to cut the V-bit with. I'd rather chisel it out than angle grinder it. So, see how it goes. Kramer's Father Dempsey. Yum yum. So far so good. Don't know if you can see that. No chipping, denting, or marring. Still good and sharp. Yeah, I think we're gravy, kiddos. Hey, gravy, Thanksgiving joke right there for you, huh? Didn't even mean that. But, not a scratch. There you go, there you have it. You can hot cut some mild steel stock with your mildly prepared railroad spike. Slinger out.